it out. Get it. Get it out. Alright, we're on our way. Going through red lights. Get rid of the mountain that we're descending to Bear Creek. So, you guys can get the idea. Falcon made it. We are approaching the creek. And it's a whiteout. Yeah, man, it's there. Walking back to my room, and we're gonna get my snowboard on. We're gonna get out there, get some runs for the lessons tomorrow. Let's get it. No. Having a safe car to get you to the mountain is a way to go, and also having a place to crash is also very helpful. At Bear Creek, guys, about to hit the park, and then doing lessons tomorrow and the next day, and it's supposed to snow. It never snows in Pennsylvania. Finally got some. Let's get it. That's a powder here in Pennsylvania. Get it. Okay, I just got off the mountain, headed back to my room. Awesome day. Fresh powder in Pennsylvania. Headed back to the room. What's happening, guys? Day 2 Bear Creek. Just got an egg sandwich. And check it out. Looks like part 2 of the storm has just kicked on. We got about like 6 inches out there, so we're gonna get out there for opening chairlift. First ride up, baby. This is gonna be good. Get some footage again today. Do a lesson or two. And yeah, let's get it, boys. All right. For day number 2 at Bear Creek. And we woke up to a blizzard. And we're about to go ride out there. Fresh powder. So it's kind of sleeting right now. But hopefully it turns to snow. We're gonna still get it. So yeah. There's snow out there.
One thing about buttering on snowboard, it's a lot easier when you have some nice, fresh couple inches of snow. Gotta lean back on that back foot when you're going through powder, like you're surfing a wave. If not, you come to a halting stop. Boom.
God. Alright guys, that's the end of the 4-day storm. Got an awesome sunset. We got a lot more snowboard videos coming up. Videos on how to ride the chairlift, how to skate.
If you want to learn how to ride through moguls, watch the end of this episode.
Check out the sunset. And head to snowboarding class. We'll catch you next week on Skate Tutors, guys. Smash like, subscribe, comment if you liked. Peace out.
One good way to get through moguls is get small when you're going over them, and stand tall when you're going in between them, and always finish your run out strong.